semester will begin is we'll start with HTML. HTML is really the structure, the organization of the content on a web page. It's here, this is the words I want on the page, and here it is. CSS is really the presentation. It's now let's make it look nice. Let's use some colors, put some borders, put things in different places, and that's the CSS component we'll get to after we've done HTML. JavaScript is the interaction, like with a user. So a user, you might want a user to enter something in and be more interactive. And then later, towards the end of the semester, we will work on the server side component. There's a database. Think of Amazon and a much more complicated website, and that part we'll talk about later. We're going to first focus on kind of making a home page. This is what I want to put on it. This is the image I want to put on it. This is how I want it to look, and we'll start slowly and build our way up. And what is the advantage of doing this in the separation of concerns and having HTML and CSS and JavaScript separate? Well, the advantage of all of this is it's much easier for debugging, for designing, for updating. This way you can first get the content, make sure everyone's happy, then you can add style, make it look good, and make sure everyone's happy, and it kind of builds up.